Hello everyone and welcome to MyniQ podcast. I'm your host and I'll be sharing short English stories and conversations with you every day. Today's episode is Here's a Fate. And the text level is 6. Learn how to talk about things that might happen and things that describe other things. Stick around till the end for 5 quick questions to test your understanding. Alright then, let's get listening.
Here's a Fate. In the fog-shrouded streets of Victorian-era London, a mysterious airship drifted through the skies. Its hull was adorned with intricate clockwork mechanisms and glowing blue lanterns, as if it were a mechanical harpy from another world. The year was 1895, and such contraptions were mere whispers in the wind, yet this one seemed to defy the laws of physics. I, Emily Windsor, stood atop a waterworks tower, gazing out at the spectacle with a mixture of wonder and trepidation. A sudden gust swept across the rooftops, extinguishing the gas lamps that lined the buildings. The airship's lanterns, however, remained ablaze, casting an ethereal glow over the city. As I watched, a figure emerged from the ship's hatch, its features obscured by a long coat and wide-brimmed hat. He descended to the streets below with an uncanny agility, his movements almost clockwork-like. The airship followed, hovering above the rooftops like a ghostly sentinel. Rumors whispered that this enigmatic figure was none other than the renowned inventor, Silas Caravaggio, who had vanished years ago under mysterious circumstances. Some claimed he had mastered the art of time travel, while others said he had succumbed to madness. One thing was certain: his reappearance would change the course of history forever.
Now let's move on to the conversation between Billy, Matt, Hallie, and their teacher, Louis, after reading the novel.
I loved the novel. The way it described Silas Caravaggio's airship was so vivid, I felt like I was there in Victorian-era London.
Yes, the author did an excellent job of creating a sense of atmosphere, but what do you think about Silas Caravaggio himself? Do you believe he really existed?
I don't know. I mean, it's possible that he was a real person who got lost in time or something, but the way the author wrote about him made me wonder if he was just a character created for the story.
I think Silas Caravaggio is a symbol of the power of human creativity and innovation. The fact that he is able to build an airship that defies the laws of physics is a testament to his ingenuity and determination.
That's a great point, Nick, and I love how the author showed Silas Caravaggio's passion for science and discovery through his inventions. It really made me want to learn more about him.
Well, let's not get ahead of ourselves. We still have to discuss the historical context in which this story takes place. Can anyone tell me what they think about the social and economic conditions of Victorian-era London?
Oh, wasn't it like really dirty and crowded, and there were all those gas lamps everywhere?
Yes, that's true, but it was also a time of great change and progress. People were starting to think about new ideas and ways of doing things.
Exactly, and I think that's what makes this story so interesting. It shows how the past can inform our present and help us shape our future.
Now, let's test your understanding of the novel and the dialogue with 5 questions. Question 1. What was Emily Windsor doing at the beginning of the story? A. Watching TV. B. Writing a book. C. Standing atop a waterworks tower. D. Cooking dinner. E. Taking a walk. The answer is C. Standing atop a waterworks tower. Question 2. Who emerged from the airship's hatch? A. Emily Windsor. B. Silas Caravaggio. C. Billy. D. Leah. E. Carrie. The answer is B. Silas Caravaggio. Question 3. What was unique about Silas Caravaggio's movements? A. He was very slow. B. He was very fast. C. His movements were almost clockwork-like. D. He was very clumsy. E. He was invisible. The answer is C. His movements were almost clockwork-like. Question 4. Who mentioned that they thought Silas Caravaggio's airship description made them feel like they were in Victorian-era London? A. Leah. B. Meg. C. Harry. D. Billy. E. Emily Windsor. The answer is A. Leah. Question 5. Why did Meg think Silas Caravaggio was a symbol of? I. The power of human greed. B. The power of human creativity and innovation. C. The power of human laziness. D. The power of human anger. E. The power of human sadness. The answer is B. The power of human creativity and innovation. That's it for today's quiz. How many did you answer correctly? Thanks for tuning in to my channel today. I hope you enjoyed the stories and conversations and found the quiz challenging yet fun. Don't forget to subscribe or follow us for more daily English learning content. Until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.